Hey, what's going on, guys? Emmanuel here. This is my first ever pressure washer. I never owned a pressure washer before, and I got it yesterday from Home Depot because if you see over there, two of my vehicle, I got a Honda Accord and my Toyota Highlander. I do myself servicing on the car. I do my oil change, brakes, tires, transmission, fluid change. I do everything on the car, including car wash. So it takes a really long time when I'm about to wash the Toyota Highlander. It takes me a long time. So I got the pressure washer just to make my job easier. You know, and sometimes clean around my house, clean my driveway. So let's open it and see exactly what we have in the pressure washer, guys, okay? Let me see if I can put the camera down here and grab a knife. So we do what we gotta do. All right, man. Let me grab a knife real quick. Let's see here. Alright, guys, let's open this. There we go. Alright. There we go. Get this out of here. Alright, whatever. Okay. This is what we got. This is what we got. This is what it looks like. All right. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. Let's see. You're gonna get that piece. Set that to the side. You're gonna get that spray nozzle, spray gun. Set that to the side. And what else we have here? We have the hose. So it comes with a hose. Set that to the side. And what else we got here? A couple owner manual. Right there. It actually comes with the owner manual. And I guess that's oil. And this right here is to hold the spray gun. You gotta attach that to the pressure washer. So let me put the camera down and take this out of the box real quick. Let's see what we got here. Alrighty. This bad boy is pretty heavy. And we also have this right here. So this is what we got. And as you see here, it comes already pre-assembled. So all you gotta do is lift the handle. There we go. You lift that handle and it locks in place. That's you gotta pull that out. You pull that out and put it down. So that's pretty cool, right? So right here we have a soap container right there to put the soap in, and that's the gas tank, and that's your oil tank right there. So I don't know how to use that yet, but I'm gonna put that together later. I'm gonna assemble that later and then do some car wash pretty much this week. Because right now, as you see, it's rainy over there. So I gotta put all this, figure out how to put all this together. It might not be a big deal anyway. So that's what you get. And you get that nozzle, which is I think a 5-in-1 nozzle. Let's check it out and see what we got in it. So that's a nozzle right there. Alright. You got a soap fan, soap jet, whatever. It's not too bad. So after that, there's not much stuff in the bag. So that's all you get. That's all you get. But one thing you need to keep in mind is this right here is powered by Honda. So that's one of the main reasons I got it for. All right. It got a Honda engine, so it means it's gonna last longer. So, like I say, I have my 2 vehicles over there. I do servicing. These are some of my toolbox, and I have some other places too. So consider subscribing to the channel, so every time I post like a service video, so you don't have to miss that, so you can learn from that and save some money, my friend. So pretty much what it is, man. I'm gonna put the pressure washer together and started doing some car wash and then clean around my house. So if you like the video, man, this is unboxing my pressure washer. My first time ever on a pressure washer. So it's beautiful. It's looking great. It's super heavy. So I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with it. So that's pretty much over here. You want to turn it on, you gotta put this on, engine on, and then choke this, put it to, pull that back to start, and then later push it back into run. You gotta make sure the gas line is open. So there's a lot of cool stuff. It seems like based on the review, many people who bought that, they pretty much they like it. This is one of the pressure washers that have a lot of good review, because I've been doing a lot of research online about pressure washer. This is the one that actually have a lot of reviews. So if you're looking to buy one, I think you should consider taking this one here. All right, so 3100 psi, so gas pressure washer. So consider subscribing to my channel, and you're gonna get not just unboxing. I'm gonna post the videos and show you guys how the pressure washer performs. And I do a lot of servicing on my car. Check some of my videos out, and I say thanks to some of you guys who already subscribed to my channel, because I got 4 kids and a full-time job, but I still managed to do a couple videos there, you know, for you guys. So thanks a lot for supporting my channel. All right, man. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay safe. God bless you guys.